Nhyira 104.5 Facebook. Yes, answer you live on YouTube. Ubi to me at joining. So one can yani dumna se won tiasia. It takes just some few seconds. Na omu dia dumno. Inti oba Facebook a yebese hu ha wa one more operations ni bitie. Ti oba Facebook a papa enu odum tashi area ne ade no. Ti se wo hwa engineer no wo dum no. Said you must do no more boss so prayer no dum no say. It's very simple.
So we are going to take off the feeders that are set from the transformer. Nhyira fan.
Enti hu said you must do kania na say net ye nya so mbetwa homa bia mu obabia enti machine esi wo no bie so say ya na watwe na yesi inside na epie aha na waje krepe na chese wo na okro no wo de no off kra.
Nhyira fan.
Enti we engineer Francis Achasia general manager substation ewo Accra Tashi area hono wonu mudundum no na this how wa omudum kanea no nti ya de ni so omuso say ya profin aha simple cry. Na wadum no nti na emze 3 days ago no wodum tashi de no to wodum no ti say ya na tie simple na wa switch no wadum no to ba Facebook you see it na me pese ebreko me pese yewuram kakra. I just want you to understand eye DUMSOR in 2026 hwe ye DUMSOR na ye wo no putoka se mo hu meka ne se eye pattern enye accident o enti se bia ye wo wa na bibia besi ena chese akoye DUMSOR ena ya ade enwanwa bi a chese esu ebi ma da ye hunu ye mesro DUMSOR eye ade a eye Ghana menka ne se eka ya wusuo hu eye DNA ye nka ne no enje da nya yi no because of the fact that yanyine nko animu yanyine nko daachi yadwene ne ya. And so the problem we are having today a partner wo ma NDC sesi a omo wosui emfa mo samfo hene say oh 2026 enkoduru bia July wo mo so ma solve ye hu DUMSOR biem me say DUMSOR ye be say hu ne biem 2030 yebehu DUMSOR 2040 yebehu DUMSOR because abeka ye moja hu abeka ya wusu hu and because of ya kendifo endwene nkoda chinti no always eto yen ansa na yafa ho adwene edu ho ansa na ya betra se ni abstart ya bedwene but ya nwene nko animu se ebre ko na nimu yi enoma esesan de na esemeye ye reforms aye no yen sheda entua na money yen. That's where we are. Mami mfa nko akiri kakra ebra akosum bodam yen saka in 1965 and I was charged for Kwame Nkrumah and my about 1,000 megawatt capacity near the a boost to a foundation for your national electricity supply na yenya akosum bono ye over reliant on it. I go say yenya enkania yenya ndie nkenu ano no akosumbo dam, that is all. Enti ya dwini mu no ye wie enu an ye da so dwini ne you na 1982 to 84 wana muhu sa enkania dundum ni bia obetere ye se pesi akosumbo are ensuo no kofem voter lake wa ye bibi chese ensuo no kofem tini edundum kanea sa with the first ever DUMSOR 1982 to 84. Shasi okrum ha. DUMSOR era. Ya nyino anhwe kwan ye befa so yetena wa de akosombo. In fact 1998 under Rawlings to early 2000 na DUMSOR sa bae. E say repeating to refia. This is a pattern that is historical. 2006 to 2007 under Akokoa we experienced another DUMSOR. Sabre say okay ya the same akosombo we are. It's a drought aba awo and na den. And that is where you started say you dwene say ede ne be ye ede aka ho nti in the early 2000s no ekono a ede ba be si 2006 a you started see say experiences at DUMSOR yi ebiem no ene ye adwene say no etwa say ye pe bibi ka ensuo no a epesia na awie no. And that is what led us to thermal plantings and some who adwene kra. Ya adwene say you be create a thermal power station. And so that is where Takra the thermal power station no Tapku in 1988 to 2000. You started see a planning that you establish it. That's the first step why you need free ensuo hydro akosumbo aho adwene nko a edeba thermal plantings and some. Na ye ne saa no entimi anso yama amre DUMSOR ase. And then what we faced in 2012 to 2016 that is water ede mahama DUMSOR hunsem mahama 1 DUMSOR hunsem bae. It is already parting from 82 to 84. What behe from 1998 to early 2000. Ase wuram ebedu andakofo nti de make catch on say abai bia penso se wo hwe a DUMSOR no ebia ba pen. But what is our planning? But ye hu pa esi ya e ma wo man ano ye din was in 2012 to 2016. There's a research by Ebenezer Kumi, University of Energy and Natural Resources. Now we share the research now. It's quite interesting. It's quite interesting. Say ye DUMSOR no say ba fashion trim e ye no ma beye miensa bi. One ye say ye fuel supply including gas ye de be power ye thermal plants no because ene said the maker say ye nya because of Jubilee field gas inti ye nya bi in 2014 na ye dey try say ye de be power ye thermal plants no ne ade a ene ye wo thermal plants ahodo ye say ye de be support inti Ghana ye ka say generation first na generation problem say ye nkane na ye nya no a e de ache no e problem ene generation ye nya kura ma na broso ye nya ye wo mfidie betumi ama ye nkane na ma na broso bebre. But the problem is say sikasem ne ye beto gas e dia power ye de beto fam e dia power e ye problem enti ye tutu ye sikasem a na ye ntutu ni ye enti no ne ka bam. Now ma menche wade from 2012 to 2016 the ma DUMSOR ye hu no wo man ye GDP ye lose 2% of our GDP, which is amounting to $680 million in 2014. Sa DUMSOR no kwa de maye. It is a wunimu a na make say abena mansa store no a ode nkane ye adwuma no ye dum no nti watum. Enti sika eso onya ne no ehwere no. Eto a eso otua no ontimi ntua because wenye se sika no obetua mutuo. And so the nation will lose eventually. And that's no. Institute of Statistical, Social and Economic Research. One more a report for omoye no. Almost say 2014 there, you lose $680 million. And to do so, we have to take it lightly. Say a bar no near the politics are found when we are trying to defend. The reality is that we lose a lot. Any country don't go on, but we lose a lot through DUMSOR. Now, from 2016 aban dada ne kɔma ama okay say campaign time ogina simpie so kan say wa solve DUMSOR ansa na wɔkɔ na MPP twa ntrɔs won solve DUMSOR. And latter part of 2016 December hono kra ye de kɔto aba ne ade nyina no ye hu nkane ya dundumadum. So some of us defended the NDC say ampa oma solve. Emma ye do 2018 no kra de na ye power na expand ya ma ye nkane ne ahoɔden a ye nya no ɛdɔɔso ama ye yusu kra na bebre kra ka abro so. Jeff, show me the graph. I mean sure 2018 this is the graph. Ye electricity ye demand no nti sɛ a blue no a blue no a generation akosumbo water ne de no level baby ɛda no nti sɛ wo hwɛ a ye power generation this one was around 6,000 the water around 6,000 oh hwɛ hydro power de no a ɛma ye no a that's around 6,000 now wo kɔhwɛ term a ye make us ye di mfidie ebe no anka ne na ma ya the gas power ni adia ebe take you over in 2018 okay say ni akra your friend is saying Mary Money sa mfidie no abegugu nti my power generation no cost through ko do 10,000 in fact that time na ye demand peak demand akosro pa no na ye around 5,000 it yenya about 50% excess na nkane ya no ama na bro so nti enhyɛ da nya de a say nkane ya ntimi no na eni ho eti 2018 ni kɔde na kyese yehu sie ho tɔye pa Jubilee ni 10 gas supply ni a expand gas supply ho nhyɛ da nya yi bia ye depend on Nigeria West African gas supply ni ade bi wo ha yesi wo ema yesi de o maka o matum ni ade ba Jubilee ni 10 ni ade etimi bua ye kakra but at the end of the day so we 2018 preferring eba fem by 40%. Edna say you dum na mana chepa no e bi edum be 30 minutes eso three by 56% e bi afet me by 15 minutes no kra almost technical na ade generation issues na yetimi anya nkanea beduru amana abroso nti obi bisa na wo say edi nti na sesei yenkane a yenya no yetimi nu ama ne bro so ebro ye so kura be mo ho mienu ni yeda so edum kanea 2018 de na ma kire wi but 2024 na ya benya DUMSOR so okay de na poka se yenkoye timetable no a wotumfuo ka se ne no ma nyina essay this is it ene da so no na posi yenkoye timetable na naboache na ni di nkomo na naboache ebisa no wose yenkoye ye timetable because that time no onu no hunu se eye DUMSOR ene omoye what happened because from 2016 ye install capacity bedu 2018 ye boost ya mai say ye generation na abroso no eye den na 2024 na edundumacho said there was a problem ma otikoko so kan say no makura hye ni fridge mu kura say e che say ya nhwe ye husu ye from that time ye nya that high installed capacity no and yetumi aya medu baby no e kane ana fi na edundundum in 2024 so okay na this is the problem so person who di ntia yenya problem here one of the fundamental issues is poor management and then management issues are enkoye any maintenance ya yamfie ni nko na krono so a water sector power sector any a problem okay say containers abegu port tema port for 5 years equal transformers here yes you installing ni abanda da na penso ye krabai ebi bai ebegu port for 5 years na yen clear ti abai we by in 2024 omu win elections by 2025 no minister confirm ma ene da ho no 12 March 2025 was 3,000 ECG containers stacked at port items held for more than 5 years in the container near your transformers cables near there say a bami a maintenance but na akawa ma demurrage action poor management enti nka ye hyase install sa transformers ana akeka port wo no ebebe du ye ma ban timi yiye ene ye hyase se ye install na nkakra na ba bia efin se power no generation no eba de ba potem ho no mpuntu o mu nyini enti enso o mo enti ye de sa transformers no ekọ ho akoboa na ye nkakra ka by now emeye too heavy say yes transformers afi the nationwide ba bia yes transformer na ye change but I was stuck at a port because no one will be held accountable. Yen will be ahwe. BBNC near wama ya bedru baby ya yedru no. BBNC nothing will happen. And I'm shocked. Say when the NDC came, did there womo ye na containers akoka womo ye ya womo NPS kama kaba ye e car hodi ade ye be investigation ye be womo say 1 year on akosi say nothing. That is accountability lapses nothing. Eti transformers no a wo bre say di ansa na say e bi be last bi 10 years bi be last bi 20 years no e ka ho be 5 years no ne durability na swate. So who will be held accountable? But the team sa amanyofo no pese wo mo edadaye, but one thing we know ni say the ye face nei eye DUMSOR, whether you like it or not, eye DUMSOR. The meaning of DUMSOR is on the internet. The power goes on and off frequently. Ekira will say DUMSOR. It is said ye hui eye DUMSOR. You cannot lie to us. Na ensenchire ni ewo DUMSOR ese obi anya malaria ni ese ne ho ayehye. Ebia ofe ana oja ne nan. Ni yamutu ni ade a. Ade ewo mu ne se DUMSOR ba yehu businesses are air suffer. So when you come to Facebook, these some of the businesses are air suffer. Beheba brain shop wa abanti ejinem wo torchlight ne phone torchlight ena odi eyi microfoot enie. This is how businesses are suffering. It we no be so watwe blade no so wo beti akwa nanim na kanea no nhye da nya yinti no akotena so afiri ho. And sika so wonya no we wa charge you unti by 5 hours na machine e kura no be dia e do 5 hours na machine na dum ontimi ntoa so nya adwuma nti omo ba obenya sika ni nyina sa sika no eko cold store omo obeyi omo nam ahwe aguo to ba Facebook come and see how they are suffering. Said the businesses no air suffer. We understand the signs and symptoms of DUMSOR. The woman diagnose you and say DUMSOR my ya diagnose you and what that we know there is DUMSOR. And now coffee krano there's household uncertainty. Unim sa ubenya kania demu na unya kania dem. Ye bedum ne say anase ye be ne say. But the issue is that se DUMSOR ba Ghana for ya tia se yen DUMSOR na abaye ye mujam aban bia de bi bebre nti se mo aba na DUMSOR ba just give us a schedule. Ye bedum ni sei ebia nopa awia enumre let us know. They said ye here ya the timetable no. And then how long it will take to end this DUMSOR. Enu ne here. How long will it take to end this DUMSOR? That's the most important thing. Transformer ye changing no more catch there no ye any problem. Come and see some of these things. She will be dying nation okay nyame nko anti dan a yehye eje tom ni ade because onya we see bedum kanea etie bia woko no wagya ne machine asiso wagya ne fridge asiso obeba no ne jedem ti come and see we nyame nko an ceiling no say eja na efa no. And it was in the afternoon nyame nko an say woni fie dia na nka asem. And this is what is happening. So mzunyane esija to call to them all these things. Yenim planning so ye bedum kania ye schedule nia we can plan well. We can plan well because John Jinapo, you were the one who told the Kufuado say on my timetable that time 2024 now your position o say Kufuado ya tena DUMSOR for 1 month ya on my timetable. This is your words
that some of the thermal plants are down. Specifically, Capo is down, Tico is down, and so they are not generating enough power. But more importantly, there's a lack of fuel in the system. Because of the financial constraints, government has not been able to procure adequate fuel to fire some of our thermal plants, culminating in the load shedding that we're experiencing. 1 month of load shedding is more than enough. This is not sporadic. This is continuous. This is persistent, continuous of fuel in the system. Because of the financial constraints, government has not been able to procure adequate fuel to fire some of our thermal plants, culminating in the load shedding that we're experiencing. 1 month of load shedding is more than enough. This is not sporadic. This is continuous.
This is Janapo. Sad time in opposition. Or say 1 month. 1 month of DUMSOR is enough for us to have a load shedding. And we are in about 2-3 months of this DUMSOR thing. I don't know about other regions, but Ashanti region is almost 3 months of DUMSOR. From January ending, what day, but first week of February, I made started calculating and we are about 3 months. So, baby, so is more than a month. John Jenapo, this was your message then in opposition. That abro 1 month, we need to have a low shedding timetable. Also, nothing has changed now. My timetable do same. My timetable Ashanti region, we know these areas will go off today, tomorrow, that. Now you say mu install transformers ya. Yate ase. Mo de say yate se gas na ho nsem ayedene ama mo na mo de mo mpese mo catch there ya, because I've heard from one of the minority MPs or say gas supply ho nsem so bi aba. We haven't confirmed the truth yet. But mo de mo say transformers na mo change ya. Ya de atum. Mo ma your timetable simple. One now kind in opposition. O say bro 1 month ya. There should be a timetable. So give us a timetable who say this is DUMSOR and we will plan our lives. Business is bet me a planning. Obia bet me a planning in life said you sit here. Me, I don't care about empeninphobia. I can't show me some unko tranche and munko so griku hononi ade. I want to because me have always said, say, the BCB, I don't understand. It doesn't make sense. And agrico, sir, if you know, machine no almost say, I say because of poor maintenance, over the years, and my machine as say, and also cause you generation problem, no. And also, a reason for say you be holding for accountable. If we are asking people to step aside for investigations, I mean, any problem. But we all know, say, those people are not the only problem. And our leadership at those places and yet the only problem although you call it for accountability. Yenim say there are problems within the government's streamer. ECG MD akasa watch say sikasem enuma kura kadia wo mo beto no ehun sikasem kura ne du ba bia na ye den. This is the MD. Also financial challenges, there are projects bebre so mo ye. But sikasem no so den ma wo mo. Especially Ashanti region, bulk supply point wo no. Ese na ye 4, 2 are saying aka 2 pe. Sika wo mo de be expand ya ma 2 na beka ho no is a problem now. And we all know this. But ye focus ni na akoye to say omo e den adwuma na no akoye say obi a na bra bo nko ye no fin say ne fie ba ye na ye no. Eti ade no ye nimba bi a problem no efri. But we are skewing it to a certain direction. Me the Greek oni akosombo they have already said say me that fire no make sense to me. So investigations because I don't have problem. But say mpanimfo bi wo ha yakoten tamomo especially from Ashanti region and other areas, knowing that Ashanti region when you come here your bulk supply point wo no and no man shut down koye and the project is ongoing. Sikasema den.
Yeah, in the construction. Before we hand over, we want to understand. There's been plans for 30 years. We want to know how far that. So it's very difficult to give you a timeline on the third BSP because it involves working with RICO and the government, and we are right now in the planning phase. Okay, we plan, then we secure funding. Because we haven't yet secured funding, we cannot give you an exact timeline. So can you confirm that we are not experiencing load shedding? We are not experiencing load shedding because we have enough generation. We are not experiencing DUMSOR. Once in a while, we have constraints in our ability to move the power to customers.
The whole problem no a distribution problem. We have moved from generation problem to distribution problem. Delivery no. Generation the problem is not generation. Your power ni bebre said since 2018. Your power bebre even more than our demands. But the distribution problem, why is Akokoa me yan kania no transformers ebe holding and kania no yetimi achiche ni areas ne kama. This is the challenge. And the sika wo mudi bedi hu dwuma no so na ayedene. And that is what the MD is saying. Projects be brave why so moye. Let's address those fundamental issues. Now, this is my message to John Jenapo. Let us know the number of months modebe change transformers no. Na mo ma ye timetable. Yebe hu se na yebe dum ye kan ya na yetimi aplan. This is a simple message from Ghanaians to you. And then also say transformers na say wo hu ni so get more companies involved. They are private companies no munsum na enube speedy up na reduce a duration no. Because we need the power to be able to produce. The production back of a medical or the effect on our GDP. Very, very much important. When you come to Africa, and so why should we suffer for this? And this concludes, say, no government have solved DUMSOR completely. No government have solved DUMSOR completely. Because NDC can 2016 so a solve. Yebehu DUMSOR 2024. February, Edru June krade na ejegon ni ekobisa na po hu asemi. Say NPP kono ono sese no solve DUMSOR 2025 e ba kakra bi eno ne e prepare ye ni hu kakra 2026 eni de ye hu ni. So no government have solved DUMSOR, and we need a strategic plan. See, the best solve DUMSOR ewo Ghana, and it's very, very much important. Ya bre any samani no. Now be read them na fish oni ade che se hu de wo ye ho kra. When it does so we be fie we business call bi abeye na wo de aye yi bi abeduru fie wo pe phone, wo pe so charge your phone light dum na phone dum na sika ahwere. Do you know what people are losing? Do you know how much people are losing through this DUMSOR? But when we talk about it, I say why in the politics, we must stop this stupid electricity power politics. Yahini now politics nama o mine idea here pa ekuye. Do you know right now hospitals rely on alternative power. Sika wo mo say no nyagro bi kura ntimi power wo mo plants no emfa bi nya operations. Why must we get here? De bia na ekọ na yada ye hu na yaba yachi. De bia na ekọ na yada ye hu na ekọ yachi. Give us the timetable. Let us plan well. Nhyira 104.5. Ebusua meba.
Oh yeah! Come on! Nhyira 104.5.